Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Goodman 2-in-1 cordless vacuum, 22.2 voltage lithium powered battery. What we're going to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This will help you to make informed choice about this gear. Okay, let's do it. This is power cable, information pack, brush, this is the handle pole, this is the main gear, beautiful stuff. Okay. Goodman handheld vacuum cleaner, wireless. So it goes in here. This end good. So this end goes in here. You hear a click sound, beautiful stuff. Okay, and this end goes in here. Push it inside. You can see, easy to fix. Okay, beautiful stuff. So you can charge this, but once it's charged, it works for 45 minutes. You can see Goodman, and also you lock it. Okay, so this is press top here, then you open it up. Just need to push it inside, press and push it inside. See, so you press it on. Beautiful stuff. So you press it on and off from right here. There's a button here is for you to you press the button, then you disconnect everything will come off. Okay, then to put it back in, just need to press the button down again and push inside. Everything will lap together. Then this button here is on and off button. Okay, you can see. So you can increase the volume. You can increase the force by pressing this. You can see. Beautiful stuff. Can remove this by pressing down. Then change. Then you can change the different. Okay. So press this to remove it, push it inside, so for you to change. Wow, amazing. This is beautiful stuff. Goodman 2-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. Powerful, compact, lightweight, very light. Then also you can, this is the charger. Beautiful stuff. Now if you want to plug this on, this is where to plug it on. Goes in here for you to plug it to the power socket to charge the battery, which you can remove. You can see now it's charging, it's highlighting here. Can charge, and after you charge, then you can use this for 45 minutes. This is very nice. Goodman believe that great products should be innovative, attractive, and affordable, with over 90 years experience. So this is very nice. HEPA filtration filter out the smallest. So this is the filtration paste filter. The other thing I noticed is you need to remove it from the charger before you start to use it. So right now it's plugged in. So this is, if you remove it, then it will start to work. This is hand. Beautiful stuff. Now we're going to test this on my next video to see how it works. If you're happy, this is powerful boosted mode, 2-speed setting. The 2-speed setting is, this is the first speed. This is the first speed. The second speed is, if you press it again, you can see the volume will increase. So 2-speed setting. Okay, rechargeable 22.2 lithium battery, deliver for 5 minutes run time. So once you charge it, it will deliver for 5 minutes run time. Easy empty. So you empty the dust container completely, bagless, just simple, empty it and clean it. Okay, with HEPA filtration. You can see the filter inside, detached handle, 2-in-1 brush, crevice tool. See, this is the crevice tool to get various corner. Okay, the detachable handle, lightweight. This is very light and very nice. You can detach it from here. So I thought to show you this gear. I'm going to show you on my next video how this gear work, how to operate it. Okay, we're going to test it. Thank you very much. This is Goodman 2.1 2-in-1 cordless vacuum. Powerful, light, compact. This is nice gear. It deserves your attention. Nice, beautiful stuff. The volume increase. If you want to detach it, just press on top key and remove everything. Once you press the key, it will move everywhere. Okay, remove that, press the key, and everything will be detached. Okay, you can see once you press the key, you just need to push it out. Okay, and to put everything back, you just need to go in again, press the key down, and you are in. This is how to connect this. Okay, nice gear, gold color, beautiful. Thank you.